This is a co-challenge for black. Black only has 3 stones here on the corner. It looks very thin and precarious, but black can still make something happen because black occupies the corner. And that really shows us why the corner is so effective. You only need 3 stones to have a chance to make a living shape. So black must make use of white's shape right here. Black cannot capture white this way. It just can't. Black will be 1 move short, but black can threaten to capture white. And the only way to do that is right here. Right? Connecting here will not work. Playing this move will not work either. It might seem like you can throw in here and start this ko, right? Something like this. But the problem is that after you throw in, white can stand down here, and there's nothing for black to play. You cut here, number 5 will die, and white will have a real eye here. So white will succeed after number 4. White doesn't have to capture number 3 right away. So this is one mistake that beginners or amateur players might make, is thinking that number 3 works, but it doesn't. So the only move that threatens to capture these 4 white stones is right here. If white ignores it, now you can throw in. White cannot play this. If white captures, you Atari here. White cannot connect. If it connects, you cut here and capture these 7 stones. So white's number 2 must try to save these 4 white stones by playing here or here. Either of these works, right? This will not work. Black can still come in, or you can play this, right? Guarding against this cut will work. White can also play this move, because now, after black throws in, black cannot play at number 5. White will be able to capture black. So that's what number 2 does. But here, black can play this move, and white can come in like this. Black can now capture. Now white must connect these 4 stones back, and this will be a ko, like this. So this could count as one correct variation for this problem because it results in a ko. But if white connects as the second move, how can black make a ko? The correct move for black is to increase its eye space. And now this problem resembles problem 3-7 earlier in this section, as well as problem 135 later in the first section. In 135, white plays here. And now, actually, black can make a living shape. Little spoiler, black can play here, white captures. You might think about this ko, right? But it's actually not necessary for black. Black can Atari this way. White must capture, and now black stands down. There's nothing white can do. And this eye space is really big. If white plays here, black can Atari. And black can give up these 2 stones, but make a living shape this way. If white connects, then black can just Atari and capture these 4 stones, plus another real eye. And black will be perfectly alive this way. So that's problem 135. That means number 4 here doesn't work. And if we go back to problem 3-7 earlier in this section, we know the correct answer for white is to bend here first, and then play this move on the 2-1 point. The best black can do is to play here, and now this will be a ko. If white wins, white can connect here. This will be a bulky 5 shape, a dead shape for black. If black wins, then of course black can capture number 8 and make a living shape this way. Note that black cannot play here because white can play this. And if black tries to make a real eye here, white can Atari from the outside. And black must connect here, and black is already dead after number 10. So that's it for this problem. There are 2 key takeaways. One is how to deal with this weakness in white's shape, how to threaten to capture these 4 stones if you're black, and if you're white, how to start a ko. And you can look at problem 3-7 as well as problem 135. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.